Good morning, I am Tipakorn Kevantong from Channel C. Thai Airport will have search for Asia missing plane if market. Bangkok, December 30. Airport Chief status Sun Cheng Sai if Indonesia thought it else in the search for the Asia plane that went missing on Sunday. The airport is ready to report me assemble an accident might have happened to the aircraft. Regarding the disappearance of the Airbus A320 plane 75 QZ 8501 with 162 people about 2 days ago, SF Marshal Satasai onto the radar of the airport did not read the location where the plane is believed to have gone missing. The airport is ready to assist in the search if Indonesia sees it alert aircraft in the sea. Its device was captured readily and it in FY media. Its flight would split in a wide radius. However, he believed an accident caused the plane to disappear. Meanwhile, search continued for Myanmar workers who went missing when cargo ship sank in the PP inland Ranti Bay yesterday afternoon. Police and DIY resumed the search for the 39-year-old Myanmar worker after the storm wave halted the mission yesterday. Mel's younger brother said the woman worker identified as Mr. Yu might be suspect in the ship as he was asleep at the time of the incident and could not swim. The ship sank early with 70 people on board and rested on the seabed about 30 meters underwater. Thank you for attention.